I don't mind if I do. This car is the biggest financial mistake. Shut up, bro. I'm trying to make a video here. This car is the biggest financial mistake that I've ever made. But I think that you should do it too. You should make this mistake. Because, dude, if you have like $5 grand to burn, you can buy this car outright and have a little bit left over to do some fun modifications and probably fix it, because it's likely broken in a lot of ways. It's feasible for me to really, really enjoy my life dailying my race car every day, right? And guys, we know it's okay if we ruin our car. It's fine, because we can just rebuild it. If you guys want more tips and tricks for everything about Subarus, or if you have any questions, comment it down below. If you want to know anything about this car or anything about Subarus that you've been wondering, I am certainly the guy to go to. I've had like 9 years of experience with these cars, and I also have had 3 of them so far. And I know everything. Guys, I know everything. I know everything. I know everything. Dude, it is literally, bro, just do it, bro. Just buy a WRX already. You know what I mean? Like, you sit there and you scroll. This is you right here. This is you. Oh, what a beautiful WRX. What? Oh my gosh, I wish I had this. Right? And you sit there in bed all night long, up all hours of the night, when you could be out all night driving your car around. Dude, the quality of life. It's a lifestyle here. I want you to follow me. Follow me on this beautiful journey. Do you know what I'm doing right now, dude? Do you know where I'm going right now? I'm going to buy ground beef. I'm gonna buy ground beef so that we can make hamburgers, no, cheeseburgers for dinner tonight. That's all I'm doing. And look at how much fun I'm having. Look at how many of the old people hate me. Look at how many of the cool people think I'm cool though. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? But dude, like imagine driving to Walmart and it's just you in a WRX. You know what I mean? Like it's not, nothing really has changed except that you're just a man now. I'm not the kind of guys, I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not the influencer type that will like take my camera with me into the store. I'm just not that guy. I'm not, guys. I'm not. I don't want to. It's just uncomfortable. You know what I mean? Like it's uncomfortable for everybody that's involved. The employees get all pissed off, and it's just awkward. And then you're like, ugh, the whole time. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna have meat in my hands when I come back, as promised. You guys, if you do daily a WRX though, you will have to deal with things like this. Everybody stares at your car all day and it takes forever to get in it, and it's not practical really at all. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way, bro. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, that way. I get that moolah by Tuesday. Yeah, that way. Which way? That guy went the wrong way. This is the way. Yes, yes. That's right. See, he went down the do not enter. He went down the do not enter. He was one of the guys that was staring at my car. I think he's a little jealous. Listen, listen, listen. Yes. Yes, I don't mind if I do. What a beautiful day, guys. I was thinking about it, and I tried making like structured videos where I would like have topics to talk about and stuff like that. And then like throughout the day, I like write stuff down, and I think that's good to do. But like to organize it and to get it all into like one document and then follow it is just not good for me. Like that's not the way that my brain operates, because I'm so ADHD that like the novelty of this is that I drive around and just say whatever comes to mind. And that's what's fun about it. That's what I like to do. And so to have like to have like a topic preloaded is a good idea, right? Like daily driving a Subaru, that's a fun idea. But to have like, oh, these are the 5 reasons why, it's just like, it doesn't feel like me, dude. You know what I mean? This shit is so fast. It's actually not that fast. It just really feels like it because it kind of feels like it's about to fall apart. And that, it's not really going to. Guys, trust me. We're safe. You don't have to worry about me crashing. Guys, we're not gonna crash the bus. But it kind of feels like it. And also we're like insanely low to the ground. Like take a look at this. See that? That's the ground, dude. We're insanely close to the ground. Dude, it's like low-key kind of warm today. It's been warming up here in Michigan, guys. It's been warming up here. I want you to exit the YouTube app right now and go to your weather app, find that number, and then come back to the YouTube app and then times that number by 12 and then comment that temperature number by 12 and comment that down in the comments and let me know what number you guys got. If I can guess your number, I'm a magician. I'm gonna guess, hey man. Dude, it's so hard to like tell from the perspective of like the video, because I watch it back and I like, when I get mad and I like crash out about people cutting out in front of me, I always look back at it and I'm like, dude, like that doesn't even look like it's a big deal. But like that guy was right in front of me. I would have been pissed if he would have done that and I was on a motorcycle though. That would have been tragic. Well, oh my God, dude, I did not even see that. I was looking elsewhere. Damn it. So yeah, guys, if you're willing to put up with the fact that you might not be able to drive your car sometimes, even for years at a time. You know, it's been about 1.5 years since I've really driven this car as a daily. And if you're able to put up with that, you know, you have like another car. You gotta have another car because you have to be able to make it to work. You don't want to be like living on the edge. If you want to live on the edge though, dude, I have done that. I did do that for a little bit. And I had to ride my motorcycle in the winter. So that is something that you can do as well if you're really committed to the game. As a father and a husband, I really can't be doing that, but now I can a little bit. So I am living life to the fullest, guys. Dude, it's also so fun being a dad because I want to make videos kind of going back to what I was saying earlier about like not making a structured list. Like those videos, it just feels so, it feels so stiff and like, oh guys, guess what? I've got this to say and I've got that to say and don't do this, right? It just, when I look back at it and I say like, what if my kid watches this one day? Do I want my kid or my kids to say, wow, Dad, you were really a square? Dad was a square? Zero dad lore alert? Right? That's not what I want to hear. I want to hear like, wow, Dad, you were the shit. Wow, Dad, you're fucking cool back in the day, Dad. And I'm gonna be like, shut up, son, I'm gambling. Unless, dude, I hate doing pulls like that because then someone always pulls out. There's too much pulling going on. I hope you guys have enjoyed coming with me to get this ground meat. And I hope that now you are inspired. You are inspired and you've perspired and you've respired. And you're inspired to go get a Subaru. Or whatever you want. Maybe you want an Evo 8. I want an Evo 8, dude. That's what I really want. I really want one of those. That's what I really want to get. Oh, there's my wife. She's getting the baby ready right now. Ready to go. It's time for dinner, guys. I'm going to have dinner with my family because I also enjoy my life. It's not just all about YouTube, guys. It's not about you. Sometimes it's about me, okay? Peace.